St Vincent and the Grenadines is an island nation off the northeastern coast of Venezuela. It consists of one main island, St Vincent, and 32 smaller islands, the Grenadines. The main island is home to about 100,000 people and a 4,000-foot stratovolcano called La Soufriere. Now, even though it's the youngest volcano on the island, La Soufriere has packed a punch over the years. Since 1718, it's experienced 5 catastrophic eruptions. The most recent occurred between 2020 and 2021. Volcanologists were on high alert in December of 2020. La Soufriere was showing dangerous signs, moving from an effusive state to an explosive state. On April 9th, a massive explosion rocked the summit. An ash plume ascended 6 miles into the air and rained onto the communities below. About 20,000 people were living in the so-called red zone. Getting them out in time was no easy task. When it was over, they hardly recognized their once beautiful island. Before the eruption, St. Vincent and the Grenadines was a Caribbean paradise. Lush trees, crisp blue water, it's the kind of place you'd never want to leave. After the eruption, it looked more like a post-apocalyptic wasteland. On top of their homes being covered in ash, the locals were also dealing with the COVID-19 crisis. They had to find somewhere to shelter evacuees while keeping them safe and hygienic. The eruption was rated as a 4 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index. That puts it on par with the 2020 Taal volcano eruption and the 2021 eruption at Mount Semeru.